Gentlemen, episode 5 from Kyoto. What a moment. What a time. Dude, Aki is freaking out. Oh! Oh yeah. She backed off like, alright, yeah, they're gonna fight. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Oh my god, it's the song. Oh shit, bro. Oh! Oh, fuck! Oh! What the hell? Did she use that up to summon Snake? Is that what happened? God damn! They're just swinging! The fights only get better from here, man. Like, if anyone that's anime only is watching right now, the fights only get better, bro. Like, this isn't even peak. Guns! That's not fair, dude. He got guns. Dude! This is absolutely nuts. Ow! Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, dude. Alright, let's get him. We're done. Let's get the fuck out. I mean, guns are powerful. In this world especially, you know? I forgot that Denji was just torn in fucking half. Oh, man. It sucks. Because, like, it would have been great to see more of them, you know? But that's just... that's just how it is. The world is cruel. He's like, oh! Bro. Oh yes, it's them. I love these guys. This was so bone-chilling when I read this. To be fair, if I saw a woman get shot in the head and then stand up and then just murder everybody inside that tried to kill her, I'd be fucking terrified too. She's like, nothing's happened. Let us continue our journey. The lunch meeting is canceled. It's not. Oh, I forgot that. Oh. Oh. I forgot she lied that she wasn't. That she said she wasn't shot. Because she doesn't want anybody to know, I guess. She's one of the. I love characters like her Makima. Like truly, when you have a character with such a mystery to it, where you're unsure what to think of that character throughout the whole way through. Oh shit. You saying I got money for that? No, they do. If we're really getting this episode, I'm gonna lose my mind. I just want to let y'all know that. These criminals are done for. I'm sure they're questioning why they're in a temple. I want to go to a temple. That'd be really cool to explore it, see the history and everything. They're tracking his body. I mean, half a body is heavy. I am... Oh no, dude. Oh. Like, it happens so fast. In the manga, yeah, it happened fast too, but like this is just oh, the music to this song. My God. Oh. Oh no. It's like they know it's happening when it happens. Oh. And you know how far away she is from this fucking area? Yeah, run as far as you want. Oh! This music, bro. Trauma? That lady is gonna be fucking, like, scarred for life. This fucking ambience. Oh my god. I've done everything I can. Yep, that's how it be. Oh, she couldn't save her eye though. Oh, and he blocked it. I forgot he blocked the shot for her, dude. That sucks, man. Dude. Nimble, are we? The fact that she can... the fact that she can dodge bullets. My god, dude. Yo. Dude, Kobeni, man. She even knows how to use a gun, dude. Like, she's just, like, one-handing it. Kobeni. Good job, Kobeni. Good job, Kobeni, bro. There's a reason you were hired for this. But you saved Denji, and that's good. That's all that matters. Yeah, we forgive you. We forgive you, Kobeni. We forgive you. Oh my god, our voice actress. Dude. This is the greatest voice actress in this entire show. That's not even a joke. God damn. Oh man. Oh no, you can't. Fuck. I feel like I've been watching this episode for like an hour, bro. I can't. Oh yeah, they all merge because there's not many people anymore. And it's now all under her command. She's just like, oh wonderful, that's exactly what I want. I like that. You know, that's fair. Oh, what a question. Oh. You put yourself into that situation, you should have asked her that question first. And you know what, at least he's not gonna die. Like, he's like, he quit. That was the smartest thing you could possibly do. Oh, yeah. What? Whoa. Whoa, these visuals are insane. This looks like old anime. But it's just because of how it's colored and shaded and everything. Oh my god. All this imagery here. How long did this take to animate? This is insane. All the blood in the intestines and everything. Wow. Wow. Man, what an episode. I think after this, they go and raid the place that the snake lady and Katana Man are at. I think that's what they do right after. So we're gonna get that going for us. It's gonna be interesting too. But I'll be done. I've got stuff to do, so thanks for watching and subscribe for more.